This is our tic-tac-toe playing robot. First, let's see how it draws the X and O.
This is our GUI. Here are two buttons for pen up and pen down. Let's click on pen down. Pen down will put a pen down, and pen up button will put a pen up. Now there is a create board button which will create a grid on the paper. Let's see it. Now we can see our grid in GUI as well. Now we have defined X for user and O for the robot. We can select the position of X from this given grid. Now let's select any position. Now I select this position. The robot will go to that position and draw X over there. Now robot randomly selects any location and plot 0 over there. Now again I have to select another location for X. As we can see, we can plot X and zeros in grid in GUI as well. No one wins over here. Oh,
X is the winner.
X is the winner.
So it has detected that X has won the game, and now it draws the line over the 3X. And it displays the message in the GUI that X wins. So this is how one iteration of the game goes. Thanks for watching the video.